night to see where the green hills rise. A boy named Tuya dreams in his eyes. Vuligamai Nairukuruku nayavuni bula. With village strength he was never afraid. Then the gates of Ladoni opened up wide. From the line of Kaikai, he learned to stand tall, ready to answer his country's call. Tuinaya karorogo nataledi serao. From the riverbanks to the shores of Denarau, cooking up a future life so sweet. From Naluwai highlands to the city, teitei to an akoro with dirt on his hands. Then a calling to serve across the lands. To Naluwai catering with courage and nerve. Practical my Tanoa talent to serve. A lady from Namosi where mountains stay, turned his world bright in a beautiful way. From Nabukebu to the night Asiri sun, two hearts beat together and move as one. Then came the call from the Radisson blue, where hard work and passion saw him through. The employee of the year, he claimed the prize. With the spirit of night Asiri in his eyes. Tuinaya karorogo nataledi serao. From the riverbanks to the shores of Denarau, cooking up a future life so sweet. From Naluwai highlands to the city heat. Tuinaya karorogo nataledi serao. From the riverbanks to the shores of Denarau, cooking up a future